How to change Facebook profile name. So if you want to change your Facebook profile name, then open up your Facebook app, and then on the upper right corner you will have a hamburger icon. Tap on that and scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and again tap on settings. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here under account, tap on personal and account information, and then tap on name, and from here you can change your profile name. So please note that if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. So don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters or random words. And here remove this and type on any name that you would like, and after writing you can tap on review change and then you can continue. And that's it guys, that's how you change your Facebook profile name. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.